don't know why I'm getting this echo. Hopefully we going through, we got that corrected. But like I said, I'm looking for a trade up here, up in against this. And I got my stop out above these highs, these wicks. I should have put it a little bit closer. Could have got, but since we got the 20 MA right here, trying to give it a little room to that. But to be honest, if it get up here, the trade for real failed. But I already got it on. Ooh, look at it. They do that to me all the time, bro. Just come up here, right by my order. Don't tap me in. It could have got me what I was trying to get to. Yeah, it did. Yeah, at least 67. This has become not such a good trade to me. Yeah, I'm taking that off. Let me see, I'm gonna move it up a little bit. As a matter of fact, let me see how many contracts is this. If I move it up, it'll just risk less. Just in case we want to come back up here and tap this. But that's what I'm looking for right now. Oh, let me do it on my other account too. I wonder why I gotta get these gaps in this. On this chart. There we go. Moved it up a little bit. Tighten that. I bet you it come right where I wanted it, like barely over this candle. And then roll back over again. But right now, it's a little far away, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pause it for the moment. It's up here again. Now I move my order. So look at it. Doing it on me again.
Order failed.
Hopefully we can get this a little bit of a pullback now. Don't go spiking on me right now. We got Kyle speaking at 10:30, so can't be in no trade around that time. I just need you to. There we go. There we go. Look at it. Look at it. I'm gonna take that.
Order failed.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this one off. Ooh, this one just made 900. That was a good trade. Let me see where that went in now. Put me back up over 2,500 on it. So, well, as far as my trailing drawdown. So that caught a good one. This one was decent too. 51,000. So I'm gonna wait for something to set up. Probably won't take another one until after Powell speak. But I actually can take another one in a second off of this area if I'm gonna go long. But I needed to get the moving up a little bit more. But if it's set up, then I'm gonna go ahead and unpause it. Take a order. 1 sec. Looking for this VWAP to hold, and this area where it was holding up on the opposite side. So trying to see if we're gonna catch a quick trade off right here. Come on, you was right there. Showed a little bit. Don't fail too much. Come down and tap it. You can roll back up all you want to.
Order failed.
Now we just needed to push up a little bit. At least go up to the 20, that green MA, the 20. So I can take this off. Let's see where we at. Take that off.
Order failed.
Yeah, and I got this other. Oh my God, I don't think I had it on. Oh snap, I do.
Order failed.
Ooh, I just made 8 something in that one. Off a mistake. got a little bit lucky. Too bad I ain't hold this one like that. But gotta stick with the plan. Up 275 on this one today. Let me see. Hopefully that's probably gonna be all that I take as far as before this 10:30. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it just in case I get another set. Well, till after 10:30 if I get another setup. Otherwise, I'll come back and just close this on out. I didn't catch that entry, but I'm sure gonna catch this exit. So if we can get this little reject a little bit more, then I'm up out of this. This is my second funded account that I'm trading right here. Ooh, that spike. Ooh, it might be about to. What happened? Ooh, I might have to hurry up and get up out of this if it come back through. That wasn't in my plans. Did we have news? I thought he already was talking. Yeah, I'm about to take a L on this account. Shit.
Stop filled.
Yep, end up taking the L. Well, I had 2 accounts, lost 500 on that. And, ooh, I think I just got cooked on this other account. Not this one. Yeah, this one up 900. I think I was up 1900 on it. Oh well. All right. That's all the trades I'm gonna take for the day. Anyways, I see y'all in the next one. Later.